All right.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would say it was like a light boat. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him like Pinocchio. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeers like Monopoly. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, 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 Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Whoopee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history like George Washington.
All right, I need loud voices on this one, okay? Ready? Ready? All right. 5 silly snowmen dancing outside my door. One rolled away, and then there were 4. 4 silly snowmen climbed up a tree. One fell down, and then there were 3. 3 silly snowmen didn't know what to do. One ran away, and then there were 2. 2 silly snowmen baking in the sun. One melted away, and then there was 1. 1 silly snowman dancing round and round. He danced so much he melted to the ground. No more silly snowmen, they have gone away, but I hope to see them on another winter's day. Alright, are you ready? You can join us on this one. Ready? We wish you a